Uh-huh. This one here?
Yeah, obviously okay. I'm physically unable to pull it out.
That's all right. Let's take a look. Yeah, there's definitely absolutely nothing there.
Yeah, try jumping and all that. It won't work.
No.
Again, take a jump.
All right. That cable loose as hell. Both of those cables are dead loose. All right, let's fix those up a little bit. If we can get it jumped off, we'll fix this connector, but maybe we just need a battery. Let me grab a multimeter and a jump box. Why wouldn't the light be on again? Probably didn't turn it off. I need a bigger toolbox. What do you guys think? Need a bigger toolbox? I need a bigger toolbox. All right, multimeter. So we got this E-van here. Said it won't crank. It's completely dead, but those terminals are loose as hell, so it's probably not charging the battery because there's a bad connection. All right, so first thing we'll check here is just see if the battery has anything left in it. Nope. Absolutely zero voltage in that battery. All right, let's see if we can get that tighter just for the moment. $10 millimeter. And we need like a 13.5 inch. And probably a little persuasion.
Yeah, I know the importance of keeping things started, but I can leave for a month or two at a time without starting it and crank right up.
Yeah.
Here, 2 weeks now. So it's got something draining it all the time.
We might have a draw in there somewhere, yeah. Once we get past this part, we can figure that part out for you if you need be. We'll definitely need... This battery is 100% dead. There's no voltage in it. So we'll definitely need a battery. Fix up both of these terminals, meaning replace them. We'll crimp some new ends on these thing here. Potential spam. We'll crimp new ends, like where this goes in under the clamps. We'll crimp a metal end on that that'll have an eyelet, and we'll put a new connector on it that bolts through it, so you'll always have a good connection. Because that can be the main problem there. When you do start it, it's not charging the battery because it doesn't have any good connection on it.
Makes sense.
We'll see if we can at least get it jumped with the connection we got, and then we'll go from there. Oh yeah, we're back to life now.
Get us a battery.
Got it. All right, we got some real bad connections here. Need to put some new terminals on these. Yeah, that's got a piece of metal in there. So it's making a real crap connection. So is this positive terminal here. It's not in great shape. Up you go. This battery was bought at Advance. I don't know if there's any warranty left on it. So you can go over to Advance and get a replacement, or just run to O'Reilly's across the street also.
Oh, God. I have all
Yeah.
this.
Oh, you're good right there.
I do weddings, and I just got all this wedding stuff.
No worries. You don't got to move it.
Okay. So
It'll
you
sit.
can sit on top of that? Or?
Yep. Just like that.
Alrighty.
Just have one of the guys come out and grab it for you.
Oh, thank you. That came from the van?
Yeah, that came from Advance. Right over there by Bubba Q's. Okay, we got that. Come on. It's too loose. That's good. Trim it down a little. You trim it down a little more. Still even a little loose. Let's go with this one. Yeah, that's better. All right. Now we need to turn this way down. $16. Nope. There we go. 10. 10. Right? Is that a 10? It says 6 to 8. We're gonna go with 10 to start, and then we'll go to 8 if we can or need to. Yep, need to go to 6. That was not tight enough. All right, shut up. All right, there we go. Hoi! There we go, nice and tight on that. Keep hearing a dog. Oh. Okay, put it like that. Let's adjust this back out to, we're gonna go 25. I think that says on it. Yeah, 25. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And because I'm anal, that's freaking hell with stuff like this. I'm gonna go a little more on the 16, even though I'm not gonna crimp it all the way. Just to give it a more of a crush. And we're gonna drill a hole in it. Cut that off. Corner off. And then we're going to take this, and of course I left pliers in there, but we're going to use these to hold it. We're going to drill a hole right here. Holy crap, I need a new bit. This thing is dull as hell. And that's it. And I'm gonna give it a little run from the back. Holy shit, that was almost bad. Just to get all the barbs off the backside. So then now, all right, let's get this on. It's good there. All right, 1 and 2. This one will fit. This one's not, and this one won't. So we got to drill those bigger. Better. 2, 3, 800 of them. All right. That's much better. All right, so yeah, that's not coming loose now. That's 1,000 times better than that other one was. I'm glad I decided to change that. I wouldn't have felt comfortable leaving it like that. So I'm very happy there. Let's put the other one on here. I'll just keep these cable ends for emergency. I don't really use them that much. I use these other ones all the time, and I don't know why I decided to not do it this time. Oh, Jesus, I forgot the battery's hooked up. That's 1,000 times better. I'm very happy with that. Yeah, we good. We're good. We're good, folks. That's good. Yeah, buddy. Will it start? Yes, it will. All right, we're freaking golden. So what do you gotta do? Open the doors and then use it?
Yeah, it takes the key.
Oh, you need the key?
Ignition key there.
I'll get it.
Do it overhead there. Toggle switch.
Do you gotta open the door first, though?
No, that toggle switch should do it too.
This one?
Yep.
Down or up?
Towards me, I think.
Towards you.
Emergency brake has to be on.
Oh, let me go on the other side. It is. Any of these switches have to be on?
No.
No. Doesn't look like it's got power. Is this, oh, this is for your seat?
No, that.
The interlock here?
Honestly, I don't know. Had no literature on that. I don't even know. No idea what that does.
I got you.
The seat's all
Hmm.
Sides of there.
All right. Yeah, I don't have anything here. Do you know what these switches do?
No.
All right.
Guy, it was his mom's, and she passed away, and he had no idea what anything did.
I got you. Well, we can come out and schedule you and come and look at it. It's not a big deal. It's pretty straightforward. We just got to take some stuff apart and see if what's working. It doesn't seem like it's got any power. The switch was off on the unit back here.
Ah.
We got that working. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that if you were having it stop halfway in between, it's more than likely going to be because you have intermittent switches in there. Once they go, you have to let go and then push again. Each step of the way, there's like 2 or 3 steps. But if you have that bad connection on the battery, so then now you have to let go and then hit it again, and it makes the doors close. Yeah. Right? Okay. I want to try it and see what it does. Oh my gosh. Let me close this hood because we're done under here. So yeah, this should do nothing. And then just turning it, yeah, makes it work. Okay. All right, well, I'm going to leave that switch on. I'm assuming that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
The green light is lit back there.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah,
So
I'll just make sure she cranks it up, and I'm not using it every other day.
I left the window open. Yeah, make sure that and then like I said, if the wheelchair lift stays working, we can come out and double check you got no draws anywhere. Sometimes these Fords take about an hour for most of the stuff to go to sleep, but this is a little older. It doesn't have many modules in it, so might not be that much of a big deal. So that's it, man.
All right.
So what are you, a veteran or something?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have a good day then.
Thank
We take care of it for you.
you. No.
Yeah.
Come
You,
on.
listen, you're a veteran. This is what my company does. We give back to people when we can, and that was not a big thing. We're just putting some battery terminals on there. You guys bought the battery. Have a good day, man. Thank you for your service for our country.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. So anything else, you just let us know. We'll come out and take care of it.